Question number third, minus 23 into 48. You can write here minus 23 into in bracket 50 minus 2, and then minus 23 into 50 minus 23 into 2, and answer is minus 1104. Minus 23 into 48 is equal to minus 23 into 50 minus 2 is equal to minus 23 into 50 minus 23 into 2. Next question. Minus 35 into minus 98. Into minus 90. Minus 35 into minus 100 plus 2. Minus 35 into minus 100 plus minus 35 into 2 equal to 3500 minus 70, that is 3430. Question number 5, 52 into minus 8 plus 52 into 2. So you will get the answer 520. Now try this one question is there. Using distributive property you have to solve it, find out the value. Now example number 2, find each of the following products, minus 18 into minus 10 into 9. Second question is also there, third is there. They have solved minus 18 into minus 10 into 9. They have grouped all together, minus 10 and 2 together, minus 18 into minus 10 in bracket and then multiplied by 9, and this is the value of 1620. Again question number 2 is minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. So minus 20 into in group it is 5, and minus 2 into 5 is altogether both, and multiplied by 7, the value is minus 1400. Similarly you will solve and you will get the value of solution of the question number 3rd is 120. Now example number 3, verify minus 30 into in bracket 13 plus in bracket minus 3 bracket close, both the bracket is equal to minus 30 into 13 bracket close plus again bracket started minus 30 into minus 3, and you have to verify. So both the sides you have to find out the value, and answer is minus 300. So you can say both are equal. Example number 4, in a class test containing 15 questions 4 marks and are given for every correct answer, and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. 1. Gurpreet attempts all questions but only 9 of her answers are correct. What is her total score? And second, one of her friend gets only 5 answers correct. What will be her score? So in question part 1, Gurpreet attempts only 9 of her answers are correct. All questions we have up to 15 questions. There are 15 questions. Out of 15, 9 questions are correct. That means 6 questions incorrect. And second question, one of her friend gets only 5 answers correct. That is the 5 correct. That means correct answers are 10. So here in group B case, out of 15, 4 marks for correct answers. So 9 into 4 plus 6 into minus 2, and here 5 into 4 plus 10 into minus 2, that is 36 minus 12, and here 20 minus 20, that is 0, and here it is 24. So group B total score is 36 minus 12, that is 24, and here in second case her friend's marks is 0 because she has correct only 5 questions. Example number 5. Suppose we represent the distance above the ground by a positive integer and that below is the ground by a negative integer, then answer the following. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters per minute. What will be its position after 1 hour? And second, if it begins the descent from 15 meters above the ground, what will be its position after 45 minutes? Again, see the question. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters. Question number 1 it is. Part number 1. 5 meters per minute. What will be its position after 1 hour? Suppose this is the elevator and this is the ground level. In the first case, elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 5 meters. What will be its position after 1 hour? Since the elevator is going down, so the distance covered by it will be negative. So 5 meters per minute. So after 60, in 1 minute, going minus 5 meters. So in 60 minutes, minus 5 meters into 60, minus 300 meters. Second case, that means 300 meters below from the ground level. Second, change in the position of elevator, that is the in 5 minutes. Second case, it will if it begins to descend from 15 meters above the ground, what will be its position of after 45 minutes? Okay, so suppose here it is the 15 meter. From here it started going down. So 15 meter plus that is the 45 minutes. 45 into minus how much it is? 5 meter per minute. So 15 meter plus in bracket 2 to 5 meter. So 210 minus 210 meter. That means from the ground level below it is 210 meter. Exercise number 1.3 you have to solve.